Alright guys, welcome back. This is the Photo Freak channel and I'm searching how to build a portfolio. As I'm starting to work in photography, I want to build a portfolio, but I'm getting online all these things. There are so many things that a person needs to do. There are so many things that you will be suggested to do by your friends, by your colleagues, by whoever is going to be your mentor in this field, in any field by any chance. So there are videos, there are photos. If you go to videos tab, you will see there are several videos on that, how to build your portfolio. So basically what I'm trying to convey here is there are so many things available online, or if you go to any school or get a diploma on it, they will show you how to do that. The next question that you're going to ask yourself is how much should you actually invest in building a portfolio? Obviously there are several options from hundreds to thousands to lakhs, depends upon the scale of your business. But right now I'm not going to go too deep into that matter, because what I'm going to show you right now is a simple way. It's a simple app for Android that is going to be on your phone, that is going to contain all your images, and you're going to showcase it as it is on your phone. You can cast it on a television, on a TV right now, and whatever you want to do, you can do with that. So without any further ado, let's show you what we have got for you in this video. Okay, so you need to go to your Play Store. Obviously it's an Android app. Type Art Portfolio. Once you type it, you will get this application. Now this is how it looks like. You go to Play Store, and what all functions it does, let me show you just in a while. When you open the screenshots, it's going to show you that it's going to build portfolios for you. It's going to show present your project anywhere, anytime. This is the tagline. You can style your portfolios. That's a good thing. I loved it. You can create, this app has been created by artists for artists, that's what they say. So it's a completely free app. There will be no charges for this one. Now simply go to open, and I've already created one for you, but I'm going to take you through what all things are covered on this one. To start your portfolio, click on this plus button. When you click on this, it's gonna ask you a few details and you edit. Like I have edited, these are all my portraits that I've shot. When you click on this sandwich button, there is a vertical slideshow option. Now this is how it is going to move your images on your screen. And this is a random slideshow happening, but you can also talk in between the slideshow about your images, whatever you've got, while you're presenting these images on the screen, or on any Chromecast that you have casted your phone on. It's a good way to have an on-the-go portfolio for all the people, all the business partners that you're going to show this to. Now this is how all my portraits look like in this art portfolio. While an image is going to pan and zoom or take its time to zoom out, you can talk about why you took this image, or what was the essence behind it. Clicking on that button again, there is a style option. You can simply select how many photos do you want to be on the screen. Like this is a simple view, one photo one at one time. You can also select 2 and 3 photos, like a gallery it looks like. Now if you go back to that button, there is a play slideshow option. It's going to play the slideshow on random basis. Now you can toggle between the views. It's a very simple app. You can choose between a few transitions that I don't feel that there is much difference between the transitions, so but it's still a good thing. You can see that no title button over there. You can add titles to each and every photograph if you want, depends on your choice. Okay, so I think it's a subtle way of showcasing your work, showcasing your portfolio, showcasing your landscapes. It's gonna pan and zoom. So I love this app. This is a free app. I think you can use it and try showing this to your friends, to your family, and see if they give you a good response, because I've got a good response for this, and I hope you will do too. So that's it from my end, guys. Hope you like this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please do share and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.